at that. Alright guys, I kind of forgot to make an intro, but we're going fishing Table Rock Lake, Kimberling City area, or Cape Fear area. Got the bow hooked up, covered up and everything. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my dad. I'm gonna go with him. He didn't want to get up too early, so the sun's already out. But it's alright, because we're actually fishing the next day as well. And that next day will be in the video as well. So, right now, I know exactly what the fish are doing. They could have changed. It was like maybe like 3 days ago where we caught a bunch, and that was for 3 days straight. So hopefully we're still on them. If they move, we'll have to figure something out, but you know, that's what makes fishing fun, so it's all good. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the water. All right guys, day 2. The reason why you guys didn't see day 1 is because not because I didn't catch anything. We actually did pretty decent, but we were fishing on that dock right there, that long one. We got a bunch of crappie there, a couple decent bass. But yeah, we were mainly just crappie fishing with my dad and his friend. Well, I'm friends with them too, but, you know, so right now I'm looking for shad, just on side scan. We've been fishing for a little bit already. My brother was in here, but he didn't want to stay. It was a little cold for him, I guess, or something. But yeah, that's pretty much all. Gonna find some shad, hopefully. If I can't find shad, I'll probably fish some brush piles. I've seen people fish on brush piles, so maybe they're biting on those. Yeah, that's pretty much all. Shad. Not a great one. He'll probably keep. Yeah, I'm gonna go measure him. If he keeps, I'll weigh him. Alright, 187. This guy's pretty long, but he's just skinny. He don't got much in him. Hopefully we'll get some more shad in him though. Yeah. I had to switch to a bigger weight because this wind and these bass, dude, they're pushing the shad like crazy. So I switched to a 3/8 ounce, and I found this guy just isolated, just cast it at him and got him. too, holy crap. 288. Nice little largemouth. It's fat, look at that. No cut tail though. I don't think these fish are getting up to spawn anytime soon. He'll be in a little bit, but nice little bass. That guy was like, he wasn't even in the shad. I just pretty much saw like a group of bass casted way out there. They're probably like 70 feet out. Just twisted right in front of him. That was the result. .216. I don't got much to say about him. I didn't see him. I didn't see my bait on scope, so probably just was a bunch of grouped up bass. But yeah, still a bunch of shad. I mean, it's insane, but we almost got 10 pounds. We'll see one more, and then if we call that one 1-pounder, we should have a pretty good bag going. Anyways, go catch another one. All right, guys. That wraps day number 2 up. So what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, it was cut a little short. My dad, he needs to do something. I don't know what, but he needs to leave a little early, and I'm gonna leave with him because we only have one truck. So not terrible. I mean, obviously we got cut short, so we could have done a lot better. Turn my scale on. We got 5 fish, 4 were keepers. That was our bag right there. 9 just turned off. I think it was 9.10 pounds though. Not bad, I'll take it. What's crazy though is most of these tournaments in Table Rock are like high 10s, somewhere in the 20s too, so obviously it's not good enough, but not too worried about that. You know, I'm getting better every time I get out of here. That's all I really care about. So yeah, all on shad, catching them all on balls of shad. This right on that, pull this out. This is the Minky rig right here on that heavier head. Normally I throw it like a 3/16 to 1 or a 1/4 ounce. That's a 3/8 ounce. That's what I had to throw with all this wind, and it's not that bad right now, but it was pretty bad at one point. So that's what I was throwing on a 6-inch juggle minnow. Here, let me just pull it out real quick. I don't know what color you'd call it, but it's literally, if you watch my videos, it's the same thing I throw every time. I kind of want to try out a what do you call it, a freeloader, because you know Jacob Wheeler, Dustin Connell, they catch a lot of fish with that. They both won MFL tournaments, so. But juggle minnow right there. What is it called? Spanish pearl, that's what it's called. That's what the color is called. So yeah, I haven't experimented with colors. That's literally the only Damiki rig I have. I would like to experiment because, you know. So I mean, I'm sure there's a better bait out than the juggle minnow. I don't know honestly though, because it's working pretty good for me. But anyways, just really in the middle of the coves, finding shad. And you gotta find big, like a lot of shad. You can't find just like a couple balls. You gotta find just like a couple big balls or just a bunch of shad everywhere. It's kind of the same thing, but yeah. Great day. Cape Fair. I'm by. It was right by point 12 where I caught most of those fish. But yeah, good day. I don't know if I'm fishing next weekend, but we have a tournament at Lake of the Ozarks coming up, so I might go fishing there next weekend. Who knows? I hope I get to fish there sometime soon. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Peace.